You're already falling behind, and you don't even know it. AI is the new electricity, and those who learn to use it now will dominate tomorrow. How to get ahead of 99% of people with AI. Most people waste AI on silly chats. The 1% build businesses with it. Right now, statistics show that 90% of people don't use AI tools at all. This means you have a massive, once-in-a-generation opportunity, but you have a choice to make. Scroll endlessly through distractions, or start building endlessly. You can either be a consumer, watching TikToks, Reels, and memes, or you can become a creator, typing your first big idea into ChatGPT and watching it come to life. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. So, how do you start? Let me give you 3 incredibly powerful tools that will change everything for you. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. Think of it as your free copywriter, your strategic planner, and your tireless business partner all rolled into one. Watch this. You can literally just type, "Write me a business plan for an online coaching service," and it will generate a comprehensive, actionable plan in seconds. Pro tip. Use commands like /improv, /summarize, or /idea generator to supercharge your prompts and get even better results. This isn't just a chatbot. It's your personal think tank. Next, tool number 2. This tool lets you become a world-class designer without having any design skills whatsoever. You just describe the image you want, and it creates it. Look at this futuristic AI art. These stunning visuals, these Akachian thumbnails, all generated from a simple text prompt. This is perfect for creating your brand's visual identity, making social media posts that stop the scroll, or designing thumbnails that get clicks. You no longer need to hire expensive designers or spend years learning Photoshop. And finally, tool number 3. Runway ML. This is where things get really crazy. Runway allows you to turn your ideas into videos with 0 editing skills needed. The era of text-to-video is here, and it's completely changing the game for content creation. You can describe a scene, and the AI will generate the video clip for you. You don't need 10 years of experience in filmmaking or video editing anymore. You just need 10 minutes with these AI tools. In the time it takes to brew a coffee, you can have a finished brand concept, a marketing plan, and the visual assets to go with it. So, what does this look like in the real world? Let me show you. You can start an AI-powered side hustle today. Right now, use ChatGPT to write a short digital ebook on a topic you know about. Then, jump over to Canva. Use its AI tools to design a beautiful cover in minutes. Finally, upload it to a platform like Gum. The next thing you know, you could be seeing those sweet PayPal notification pop-ups while you sleep. This isn't a fantasy. People are doing this every single day. Want to build your personal brand? I can do that too. Use it to generate video scripts, help you with edits, and design all your thumbnails. The entire content creation workflow can be made 100% with AI. It's like having a full production team in your pocket. Are you a freelancer? Imagine automating your emails, your client work, and all your research. You can operate like a machine. Use AI to write a killer proposal on Upwork. And when the client replies, "You're hired," you'll know it's because you worked smarter, not just harder. A killer combination is using Notion AI to organize your projects and the ChatGPT app to handle tasks on the go. The key to all of this is building the right habits. It's not about one big action. It's about small, consistent, daily steps. Every morning, before you check your notifications, let AI plan your day. Just ask ChatGPT to create a prioritized to-do list based on your goals. You'll start your day with clarity and focus, sipping your coffee while your personal strategist has already laid out the path to victory. You can also use it to learn faster than ever before. Want to read a book like Atomic Habits, but do want to have the 6 hours to spare? Ask AI to summarize the key takeaways for you. In 60 seconds, you can absorb the core principles that others spend days trying to learn. This is how you build an edge. Small prompts, used daily, create massive momentum over time. Think of it like compound interest for your brain. The small investments you make in using AI each day will grow exponentially, putting you miles ahead of everyone else. You now know what 99% of people don't. You have the blueprint. But knowledge is useless without action. What truly matters is what you do next. You can either start building your future with these tools, or you can stay behind and watch as others race past you. The choice is yours. To help you get started, I've put together my personal AI ritual, a free PDF toolkit just for you. Download it using the link in the description. And if you're serious about winning, about truly getting ahead, and not just surviving this massive shift, then subscribe to the channel, because we're just getting started. Thanks for watching.